Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your device and app are up to date so the widget supports custom images. This avoids compatibility issues. Once done, long press the widget on your home screen to reveal contextual options and tap Edit or Settings. If the widget opens the hosting app, navigate to the widget management area. Make sure you grant photo access when prompted so you can pick images from your library. Now you pick the image source, your Photos app, Files, or the widget's gallery. You should crop or resize to match the widget's aspect ratio so the image doesn't stretch. Many editors show a live preview to guide you. Next, set the focal point so important parts remain visible, and apply simple adjustments like brightness or opacity if offered. These steps ensure the photo looks intentional and readable at widget size. Finish by tapping Save or Done and then exit the editor so the widget refreshes on your home screen. You should see the new photo immediately. Place and align the widget where you want it, and lock the layout if your launcher supports locking to prevent accidental moves. If the image doesn't update, force close the app, restart the device, and double-check photo permissions. These quick fixes resolve most update failures.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.